Hailed Wall Street Willie. What are the advantages of a debit card? The biggest advantage of using a debit card is that it isn't easy to overspend. Unlike a credit card where you take on a short-term loan, you can only spend money that you actually have with a debit card. For the same reason, it is nearly impossible to rack up debt from using a debit card. In addition, debit cards are accepted pretty much everywhere, making them a very safe and convenient choice, as you don't have to carry any cash. Debit cards also help you keep track of your spending, and they are very easy to obtain even with poor credit, as you usually get one automatically just by opening a checking account. Debit cards can also be used to withdraw or deposit cash at ATMs and for bill payments. They can be added to digital wallets as they work well with mobile payment apps like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. They can also be used to send money to family and friends using peer-to-peer money transfer apps like Venmo and Zelle. Some debit cards have started offering rewards like cashback on purchases, just like credit cards. What are the disadvantages of a debit card? The amount you can spend is limited to your bank balance. While this helps with not getting into debt, a debit card will not let you finance a large purchase and pay it off over time. Although most debit cards don't have annual fees, they may charge other fees like overdraft fee, ATM transaction fee, insufficient funds fee, card replacement fee, or foreign transaction fee. While some debit cards have started offering rewards, they are not nearly as good as the rewards offered by credit cards. Debit cards also don't offer as much fraud protection as credit cards. Since your bank account is exposed, if your debit card is lost or stolen, it is a huge risk as the thief can drain your entire bank balance. Lastly, you cannot build your credit history or improve your credit score by using a debit card. While this also means you cannot worsen your credit by using a debit card. Should I use a debit card? If you are prone to overspending or can't get a credit card, a debit card is a good choice since it's very easy to get one and it's difficult to spend more money than you have. However, if you are a responsible spender, credit cards' perks, credit building potential, and advanced fraud protection make them a better choice. What are the differences between credit cards and debit cards? That's a great question. Click on the video on your screen to find out. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.